is on this Fall Glam look. And it is a full face tutorial, not just an eye look. But yeah, and it's using the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. I've been in the mood to do like something really glam and fall and smoky. And I really wanted to use this Cosmo shade, which is like a coppery pressed loose glitter. That doesn't make sense, but that's kind of what it is. I kind of had a look in mind with that. And I finally got around to filming it. But yeah, so if you would like to see how I did this look, then go ahead and keep watching. Okay, so I did my brows off camera just because it takes me a while to do them, and because I did film an updated brow routine a few videos back. So I will have that link down below if you want to see that. But now I'm just going to go ahead and prime my eyes, and I've been using and loving the Luscious Angel Eyes eyeshadow primer that I got in my September Boxycharm. So I'm just going to prime my eyes with that. And while I have my primer drawer open, I'm going to go ahead and prime my face. And I'm using my Bare Minerals Prime Time foundation primer. Okay, the palette I'm going to be using today is the Huda Beauty Desert Dusk palette. And only because I really want to use this shade, which is like, I think like a loose glitter. So I'm gonna take the shade Desert Sand and just set that primer. Ooh, that's powdery. Next, I'm gonna go into the shade Eden and place that as my transition shade. Now I'm gonna take the shade Blazin', which is this orangey shade, and apply that below the Eden shade. So it's not quite in our crease, but just a little lower than that. Now I'm gonna take the shade Amber, which is a little more, it's like a dark rustic orange shade, and that's gonna go in our crease. Okay, so now that we have some kind of dimension, I'm gonna go ahead and take the shade Saffron, which is this like maroony shade, and place that where I placed Amber, but a little lower. Okay, for my outer corner, I'm gonna take the shade Oud. As always, I'm gonna go ahead and carve out my lid, and it's not gonna be a cut crease, so just the half cut crease. Okay, so I went ahead and finished cutting my lid. Now I'm gonna go into the shade Blood Moon. I'm gonna apply that all over where I carved it out. So that's just the base for the glitter, because since it is like a pressed glitter, I feel like you'll be able to see still. I'm gonna go ahead and take some of my NYX glitter glue and apply that on top. So now going into Cosmo. Now after that, I'm gonna go ahead and go back into Saffron and just blend out these edges. Then I'm gonna dip into my Nightingale palette and take some of this black, just a tiny, tiny bit, and place that in my outer corner. Okay, Okay, so I went ahead and just finished off the other eye. I'm gonna go ahead and just apply a wing liner with my NYX matte black liner. Okay, for lashes, I'm taking the Lash Lab lashes, and these are Trap Queen. For today's foundation, I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild Desert Dusk foundation. Desert Beige, sorry. For concealer, I'm gonna take my Tarte Shape Tape and just apply that. Just gonna set that with my Ben Nye banana powder. Then I'm gonna take my Maybelline Fit Me powder and just set the rest of my face. Taking my Anastasia contour kit, I'm gonna go ahead taking these two in the corner and just bronzing. Then for blush, I'm taking the Laura Geller Tropic Hues blush. For highlight, I'm taking the Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. I'm also going to take a little bit of that and highlight my inner corner and brow bone. I'm gonna go into the shade Amber. Then I'm gonna take Oud, the dark brown shade, and place that in the outer corner. And I'm gonna take a little bit of saffron and just blend that all out. For lips, I'm going to take the Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink in the shade Fighter. Okay, so I feel like it's a little too orange for the look. So I'm going to go ahead and top it off a little with Mystic from ColourPop. So this does complete the full face fall look. And honestly, I love this. I'm sorry if you get tired of me saying that about every look, but I do. It's because I usually don't practice looks prior to filming. I usually just have a look in mind and film it, and then I like surprise myself with how good it actually turns out. But yeah, I seriously love this look. I would probably use this for the holidays, like for like a party or something, you know? But yeah, I hope you all enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.